Welcome to the Naked Garden channel. Today I was just doing some fertilization of the soil and some of the plants. I'm going to harvest some of the radishes. These are some transplants I just did not too long ago. I think it was Friday. These are some butterhead lettuce. That's from seed. That's some kale, some more kale. The Brussels sprouts are doing better. Only a few leeks are going through. Oregano's doing fine. And as y'all can see, the parsley, the lettuce, and the cilantro are doing very, very well. We got the spinach right up in this row here. Some more lettuces. I'm not sure what is this from. If anybody know, please comment below. This kohlrabi look like it's about to start its fruiting or rooting, whatever it is. These are the radishes. These are French breakfast radishes. They're white at the tip. I'm gonna start harvesting some of these today. Some more spinach, celery from seeds are doing very well. The leeks, onion. I just transplanted some purple cone flowers, some mustard spinach from seeds that just transplanted. Probably transplanted too early, but oh well. Some more lettuce here. These are red cell lettuce. The flowers are doing well. I gotta mix that soil up. I fertilize that. These are lemon balm and dianthus, purple dianthus. There's some more celery from seeds. I have here some more lettuce that I just transplanted from inside. These are some more. These are supposed to be bok choy. Some, I forgot what those were. Oh well. Kind of uprooted the Brussels sprouts with this spike here. Got some cabbage. I love the look of these. I call them dinosaur kale, but they're not. That's not the true name of it. We got some more kale here, and there. That one's not doing too well because of the cabbages shadowing it. Some celery. I'm gonna have to pull this one because this is getting overshadowed, and this one's getting overshadowed. But these are my mustard greens. My Georgia collards are doing very well. And as you can see, I'm gonna have to put some mulch around here for the garlic. We got Swiss chard right here. Got two different types of cilantro, some Roman lettuce, some more parsley. I have to cut this back a little bit so that way this plant of the butterhead, whatever it's called, lettuce does well. Got some celery and some other flowers in there. The Brussels sprouts. This bed here, we got some more radishes and some carrots. Right up in this area, we got some red onions and yellow onions. And I forgot what else. The app will basically have all of that. Oh, got some more garlic here. I just love the way that looks. I think these might be the hardneck lettuce. Hardneck garlic. I trimmed back a little bit of the celery here and here, just to kind of look pleasing. We got some Brussels sprouts there. Trim some of those leaves back from the bottom row. Get some airflow through here. Same with these Brussels sprouts. Get some airflow and down at the bottom. The dwarf curly kale. This is supposed to be a cabbage, but it's growing a little bit too tall. This is some red cabbage, red cell kale, red kale, something like that. Georgia collard. I trimmed back the dill a little bit, and that's really about it. Some more kale. It's growing up pretty good. And some butterfly weed. And some lettuce that we cut, and it's grown back now. We'll just do that several times. Go get gather up some leaves and mulch those down and put a bit in here to cover up the garlic stem so it can stay nice and warm. I think I'm going to grow some more rosemary. These has got kind of woody. Like you see, these stems are very brown, but still smells of the rosemary. I got some more kale. I got some leeks right here, and planted some garlic underneath there. The garden sage, and some more cut and come along again. Lettuces, mint. I think I'm going to grow some more mint and cut some of these back. As you can see, these are mint. You want mint and oregano and thyme. You want to put in its own pot, not in the garden bed itself, unless you don't mind weeding out every so often, because these are very evasive and they will just consume your whole garden. Looks like I'm gonna have to trim these back, maybe, and get some new soil, because this looks kind of clayish here. So we'll see about that. But that is very much it. Hey, I might have remember I had the leaf pile right here that I had the missus raking up. That is now over in this bed, in this compost pile. And the other compost pile. Hope this dude didn't knock. Temperature is doing pretty good. They're painting their fence here. Don't know why it was cedar. Why would you cover up a nice colored cedar fence? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page. If you have anything that you want to see how I do things, comment below, subscribe and share, so that way my channel can help me grow my channel, and let's just continue to grow together. Thank you.